Part 1 frontal wig install. Here I'm cutting away the excess cap and I'm using Ruby Kisses cream foundation to tint the front of the cap, using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove any oils. Next I'm using Skin Protect and just rubbing it in with my fingers. Now I'm putting on the wig to see how it fits on my head. Now I'm applying the lace glue in thin layers all across the hairline. Using the end of a rat tail comb, the first layer of glue is really to help melt the cap. Then I go back in with the second layer of glue after it's turned clear. And again, spread it out with the end of the rat tail comb. You can add as many layers of glue as you like. Here I've only added 2 because I knew I was going to take the wig off soon. Once the glue dries clear, you can start to apply the wig. Make sure that you pull it in front of the glue. Using a comb, push the lace into the glue. I like to apply heat just for that extra melt. I'm clipping the hair out of the way as it makes the install easier, and then I'm going in with my elastic band and tying the lace down for Again, I'm just combing the hairline of the wig. Next, I go in with my hot comb just to melt the hairline a little bit better. Next, I'm cutting away the lace from around my ear area. Just showing a close-up of how the lace should lay around your ear. The same thing on the other side, part the hair and use your scissors and cut around your ear area. Here I'm just pulling my ear from underneath the wig. Now using the same cream foundation from earlier, I'm just placing it around the hairline. Next I cut up the middle of the lace and then start to cut as close to the hairline as possible in a zigzag motion. You want to make sure that you cut in a zigzag motion so that the lace can be undetectable. The front of the wig has not been glued down yet, but as you can see, it lays perfectly. Now I'm going back over and cutting off any excess lace in the front. Next, I put a little bit of glue on the back of my hand. And using a rat tail comb, I'm going to apply the glue to any pieces in the front that has not been stuck down. This step will also help to melt the front of your wig better. Again, wait for the glue to dry clear and then you can proceed with sticking it down. As you can see, I'm gently laying the lace down in the front using the end of the comb. This is how the front of your lace should be looking once everything has been stuck down. Now onto the next side, you're going to do exactly what you did on the opposite side. Cut the lace in a zigzag motion. This is an important step. Do not cut your lace in a straight line. Always make sure that you're cutting in a zigzag motion. Again, I'm just adding some glue to the front areas of the wig. Gently lift the front pieces of the lace and apply the glue. Once it's dried clear, again, you're going to push the front of the lace down into the glue. I'm now applying my foundation color around my hairline. I think it's Ruby Kisses level 15. Here I am being extra. I'm literally just scratching off the side of my face. I'm just trying to melt my wig. I want the wig to be melted. Don't be like me. Now going in with the Ebin black spray and just spraying it across the entire hairline. I'm gonna tie the melt band down again just to allow it to melt. I removed the melt band and now I'm just combing through the front of the hairline. Next I go in with a little bit of spritz all around the hairline again because this also helps the wig to melt. Next, I'm going to tie the front of my hairline again with the melt band. Head over to part 2 for the rest of the install.